London, and Julia Girdwood on the Sinfonia Concertante by Fiorillo here at 99.5 WCRB. The City of London Sinfonia was conducted by Nicholas Ward. It's just afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Roger Pierce. Glad to be with you on this hot summer Thursday in Boston. More of the greatest music ever made to help you escape. Violinist Julia Fisher featured next. Also coming up at about 5, today's quote of the day.
Classical Radio Boston is 99.5 WCRB, WCRB HD1 Lowell, Boston. Also on WGBH HD2 Boston, WCAI HD2 Woods Hole, Martha's Vineyard, WJMF HD1 Smithfield, Providence, a service of Bryant University, the character of success, and at classicalwcrb.org.
Where violinist Julia Fisher teams with pianist Milana Chernyavska. This is the fourth movement, the Jota Navarra, from Spanish Dances by Sarasate. spectacular performance by violinist Julia Fisher along with pianist Milana Chergowska. The Jota Navarra, fourth movement from the Spanish dances by Sarasate. And time for today's quote of the day. Today's quote: the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Who said it? Answer in a couple. Broadside Band and the anonymous Parsons Farewell. Today's quote: the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Who said it? It was Nelson Mandela. Coming up, I've got a pair of guitars, also a pair of horns to feature. Right now, Barry Wordsworth leads the new Queen's Hall Orchestra in the Fantasia on a theme by Thomas Tallis by composer Vaughan Williams on Classical Radio Boston 99.5 WCRB.